have Dusty. He's TIG welding out a stainless joint on a piece of our stainless pipe fabrication. Here you're getting a good view at TIG welding in itself, along with turntable, positioning it for him and rotating it, making his job easier.
Okay, so a tradesperson like Dusty, how long does it take to get to be that skilled to be able to weld this type of pipe?
The time can vary, but a lot of times 2-3 years, maybe 4.
That quickly?
It can
Really?
be, yep, depending on your skill set. And
So if you're a hard worker and you're a good learner, quick learner, you can get in 2-3 years to be doing this type of high-tech welding. I mean, because as Greg mentioned, a lot of this is X-ray.
it takes a lot of skill to be an X-ray welder, and you get all your education with Local 400, and you get contractors like Line Pipe that need that skill set to meet the customer's demands.
Okay. So what is your role here?
I'm the union steward here at Line Pipe, so I work with the employees and the contractor when there's needs between them. And then I'm also a journeyman welder myself, located at Line Pipe's new London facility.
Okay, so how many years have you been a welder?
I've been in the trade with Local 400 for 15 years, and I'm new with Line Pipe this summer, a little over 6 months.
Awesome. Are you happy with your career?
Yes, you got a roof over your head. You know, we got winter coming up here, so you're in a warm facility. You got fresh air, state-of-the-art equipment. And as you can see, Dusty welding right here, he's moving that piece with the touch of his foot, and he's in a comfortable position, and he can put out that quality weld.
And it sounds, according to Greg, there's lots of opportunity out there for somebody considering getting into the trade.
A lot of contractors, especially Line Pipe right now, are growing. They're looking for young guys and women to get into the trade, cutting and grinding, and then eventually getting their apprenticeship and becoming a welder like Dusty.